Hello. Today I will tell you about the orchid flower. If you're ready, let's start. What is an orchid? Orchid is a flowering plant that belongs to the Orchidaceae family. It is a terrestrial flower with small leaves and a long stem. Although it has different orchid colors, it is a flower type that is compatible with white and purple colors. It is a very durable and permanent plant compared to its sensitive, fragile structure. It is called representation of nobility and care in floristry. Orchid grows in tropical rainforests in rocky and tree hollows. He likes moss, ferns, and bark rot more than soil. It is the most used ornamental plant in many countries of the world. What are the characteristics of orchids? Tuberous or perennial plants. Seeds that are too small will germinate only when inoculated by certain fungi. It is in the form of single bunch, spike, or combined cluster. Its leaves are simple-looking, scales, 2 rows, very rarely opposed or circumscribed. It is a long-lasting, durable plant. It can be grown in a greenhouse, in a flower pot or in salons. The plant, which can grow anywhere in the world, loves tropical climates the most. Very durable flowers. Because they are long-lasting, they bloom every year, and if the orchids at home are properly maintained, they can survive for years. A substance derived from the roots of some orchid species is used in the food industry. Likes permeable, coarse-grained soils. The pH range of the soil should be between 4.5 and 5.5. Orchid does not like much water, but it should be watered slowly once or twice during the day. They like cool and bright places. They have the second largest family in the flower world. It is known that there are more than 20,000 orchid species in the world. Care of the orchid. Decayed, withered, or yellowed leaves must be pruned at certain times of the year. This plant, which does not have to be exposed to direct sunlight, can benefit from other light sources. They are easily affected by the airflow, and therefore precautions should be taken to protect the orchid. As with any plant, vitamin and mineral supplements should be taken at least once a year. Repotting should be done towards the end of May. Orchids do not touch any object. There may be stains on contact. Even the most important rule for growing orchids is wintering. Orchids like being fertilized regularly. Ready-made fertilizers are required for orchids. It is sufficient to fertilize once a week in summer and once in winter. Thank you for listening to us. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. We wish you healthy days. Goodbye.